Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. First, we need to open the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, then swipe left on the screen to go to the next page, and here we have screen recorder icon. To start recording, tap on it, then allow the permissions. Here we can set some settings for our sound. We can select no sound, media sounds, and mic. Select what you like by tapping on it, then tap start recording. The countdown will start, and after it's done, the recording will start. Now the screen is being recorded. Here you have this menu. You can tap this arrow on the left side to hide it. Then you can swipe left right here to make it appear again. You can also tap on this icon to draw on the screen. Here you can change the color. Next to the drawing icon you have this human icon. This turns on the camera, the front one. Here you have pause button and stop button. If you want to stop the recording, you simply tap the stop button. As you can see, it says recording saved. We can go to gallery and check our recording. Okay, let's close this. And you can also edit the settings for your screen recorder. To do it, open the quick panel again, go to the second page, press and hold on the screen recorder icon, and you will be in the screen recorder settings. Here we can again adjust the sound settings. We can select no sound, media sounds, and mic. Below we have video quality, and you can select 1080p, 720p, and 480p. And at the bottom we have selfie video size, basically selfie camera video size on your screen. And once you're done setting your things up, just go back. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.